I mean, I've literally been here 3 weeks trying to recover $1.2 million of investor money from a lawyer that hasn't been giving it back. 95% of the people on this planet, all they're worried about is problem and dramas. And they get so caught up in their problems and dramas. And what they need to do is focus on the outcome. And so as tough as this last 3 weeks has been, I just kept reminding myself, what is the outcome? Why did I come here? The outcome was to get the money back for the investors and to come up with a plan with this lawyer so that he could move on with his life. And that's what I focused on. And I didn't let the noise, the drama, the problems, or all the hardship that I was dealing with get in my way, because I just focused on the outcome.